All right, today I have the Orajel Toothache Gel right here. It's an oral antiseptic and pain reliever and astringent. Now this right here is used by people such as myself when I have a toothache. Now there's instructions on using it. I'll briefly go over it, but it's important that you read the instructions yourself before using a product like this or just any product at all. All right, so right here it says uses for temporary relief of pain to minor irritation or injury of the mouth and gums. First aid to prevent infection in minor oral irritation. Now there's allergy alerts on here, some suggestions for you not to use this if you have certain ailments, and when to stop use and ask a doctor about this. So there's a lot of instructions on here that you should read before using this product. Now it says directions for adults and children 2 years of age and over. It says apply to affected area up to 4 times daily or as directed by a dentist or doctor. Children between 2 and 12 years of age, ask a doctor before use. Now there's a lot of warnings on here that you're required to read and understand before using this. So I'm going to go ahead and take this and I'm going to go ahead and open this up. Now I've tried this actually before, and it actually has really good results as far as numbing. So I'm going to go ahead and take some off and put some on my finger so you can see what it looks like. Comes off as a blue gel. And then I place some on my gums where the ache is at. And it numbs it to a degree to where it takes some of the pain away. So this is an oral antiseptic pain reliever gel, astringent. Now, astringent, and it lasts quite a while when you're putting it on. It has a numbing effect, so you might be caught off guard when placing this on your gums, but it actually does numb and take away the pain temporarily. Of course, it has an astringent on it, so it can help reduce the possibilities of infection, and it has a pain reliever. Okay, it's a pain reliever. So antiseptic, astringent, antiseptic to help keep the possibilities of infection at a lower rate, and it is a pain reliever to take away the pain when you put it on here, because we all don't like pain, I guess. So overall, it works pretty well. It makes my lips numb actually when I put this on, even though I did not place this on my lips, but it works well. This is Orajel Toothache Gel. I like it. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.